These AI websites feel like magic. Here are 10 tools that will blow your mind. 1. Remove.bg. Want to erase the background of a photo in one click? Upload your image to Remove.bg. It's that easy. 2. FutureTools.io. Not sure which AI tool you need? Future Tools helps you discover the perfect one. Over 1,000 listed. 3. Notion AI. Need help writing anything? Notion AI can generate notes, emails, blog posts, all with one prompt. 4. Cleanup.pictures. Got something in your photo you don't want? Just highlight it. Cleanup.pictures erases it like magic. 5. Runway ML. Runway lets you edit videos with AI. No complex software needed. It's powerful, fast, and beginner-friendly. 6. Pictory. This video, created with Pictory. Turn text into video in minutes, with voiceover and visuals ready to go. 7. Kaiber.ai. Transform any image or text into a music video. Artists love it. Your imagination sets the limits. 8. Tome.app. Want to create a stunning presentation with zero effort? Tome uses AI to build beautiful decks based on your ideas. 9. Scribble Diffusion. Draw a rough sketch, and let AI turn it into real art. Perfect for designers or just for fun. 10. Sounddraw.io. Need music for your videos? Sounddraw generates royalty-free tracks based on your mood and style. Subscribe. Which one will you try first? Comment below and follow for more AI tools that feel like magic.